It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the head-up display button and information tab, trailer mode dial. By turning the dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, an electric park brake down below, power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. To the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities, our trailering app. It's also got navigation. Those are our shortcut buttons down below to the left. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by pushing these buttons here at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports along with a power plug-in. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where you'll find some additional USB ports, LED lighting, and plenty of storage space. Starting at the front of the Denali, you'll notice that unique Denali grille, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, fog lights, chrome tow hooks, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, chrome mirror caps and door handles, keyless entry, keyless start and remote start, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, Denali hard badging down the side, a box side step, the rear window slider, and making our way toward the very back, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. This truck also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. This tailgate also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step lights. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the Denali logo, the Gooseneck 5th wheel package, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, USB ports and a plug-in. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.